Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add a payments gateway to your Wix website in 2023. Integrating a secure and reliable payments gateway is crucial for enabling smooth and seamless transaction on your online store or business website. So in this guide, we'll walk you through the process of connecting a payments gateway to your Wix website so you can start accepting payments from your customers hassle-free. So let's get started and enhance the checkout experience for your website visitors, and let's dive right into it. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, we'll have to sign in into our Wix website or account. We can go and open whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, and of course in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open your browser, go to the URL section, type wix.com, and hit the enter button. For you, if it's your first time or you never logged in at your account or the websites maybe forget you or the browser forgets you, you'll find yourself not this page, you'll find yourself at the home page or the main screen of Wix website. From there, at the top right corner, you'll find an option to log in into your account. And if you don't have an account, you'll find even there an option to create an account for yourself if it's your first time. And of course, if it's your first time, make sure to familiarize yourself with Wix website by scrolling down, read more information about it. So just be sure that you want to start your own business or store on this Wix or starting building your website on Wix website. So once you do so, of course, once you logged in into your account, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Just go and access my site or my sites page. You'll find this here in the top right corner. Click on it to access my site. Then simply you'll find here your site. If you don't have any sites, you can always go and click on create a new site and follow the steps provided there to create a new site for your own. If you don't know how to do it or you want some guidance, you can always find a video on our channel how to create a site. I've already made this one for you. Of course, on Wix websites. And of course, for me, I'm just going to access like the Wix editor by clicking on this pencil icon, or I can click on these three dots and simply click on edit sites here. So once I do so, of course, I will access the Wix website editor. And from here, I will be able to do a lot of stuff, including adding a store to my website or simply adding a payments gateway to my Wix website or Wix store. So as you can see, this is going to be my website at the moment. And now what we'll have to do, of course, make sure to add the store for yourself if you don't have any store in your website. As an example, I have here some products, which means I have store on my website. Of course, you can for yourself go and add some stores, some products that people can pay for before even adding like payments gateway. Now, once you do so, we'll have to go and access the payment settings. In the editor, you will have to find settings or an option of my business right here. It's just going to be like a settings icon. So it may appear for you as a gear icon. So simply click on it from this left panel, as you can see from here, and click on that. Once you click on it, of course, from here, as you can see, you will find the Wix stores. So from here, you'll be able even to add some products, add some shipping or set up some shipping, and even connect some payments methods. If you go and click on Get Paid, as you can see here, let's just wait for this page to load, should not take a lot of time. You'll find like the Wix supports various payments providers, of course, including like PayPal, Stripe, and Square, and even more. You can select like your preferred payments provider from the list of options. If you don't have an account with the chosen provider, you'll be prompted to create one. But if you have it, that will be even great. You can simply just log in into your account or connect your account and you'll be good to go. So as you can see, accepts payments. We have manual payments. You can simply manage this manual payments. As you can see, you will have this option or four options: manual payments, cash payments, offline payments, and cash on delivery. Choose whatever suits you and list your customers how they will pay. So add the description here. And of course, this is going to be, if you're not accepting this, make sure to just enable this option. So now, as you can see, you can just click on see more payments option. And as you can see, we have a lot of options. So we have like the FasterPay provided by FasterPay allows you to accept credit card and debit card, of course, of FasterPay. So if you want, you can simply click on connect. And as you can see here, you'll simply have to get your public key from FasterPay. And of course, you'll find even the steps how to do that here. So you'll have to enter your FasterPay credentials in the form below. You'll receive this credentials from FasterPay when your account was approved. And then simply click on connect. And of course, you'll have to follow those steps right here. And of course, the faster pay fees will be just this one. So from 3.8 plus like a 13 or 30 cents per transaction. Wix does not collect additional fees. So other than that, of course, as you can see, you can go and connect anything you want, follow the instructions of connecting that, and those payments will be connected. Other than that, of course, we have PayPal, which is the normal and everyone knows about us. Probably, I guess everyone has the PayPal account. You can click on it, and as you can see from here, you will have to enter your PayPal account, email in the form below, click and connect, and you will be redirected to PayPal. Follow the instructions and click on login. Your PayPal account will be connected to your Wix website. And if you can't find your credentials or won't connect, you can contact PayPal from here. If you don't have an account, you can always, as we said, click here to create a PayPal account. And from there, you'll be able even to connect your PayPal account here. So simply enter your email address, click and connect, and they will take you to connect. And the fees will be 2.8% and plus 30 cents per transaction. And Wix, again, does not collect any additional fee. So here you can create an account if you want. For me, I'm just going back and to the accepted payments and evenly just go back to the settings. So here, as you can see, we have those option for payments if you want to on the accepts payments. If you didn't like those example, if you didn't like the options provided here, you can always go to this left panel again and click on add apps. Here, if you click on add apps, let's just wait for this page until it loads. Here we can go and download some apps, other apps for payments methods like, I don't know, like Pioneer or something like that. So go here to search apps and make sure to search for the app that you want. So as an example, let's look for Pioneer and see if it existed here. So as you can see here, we have some apps that can collect payments on different apps. Like we have here payments buttons. You can see Stripe, Google Play, and Apple Pay. Free plans available. This is Binance Pay button. I don't know. So you have to go and check all of those depending on whatever suits you, and you can go and add this as a payments provider for your site. Some of them may be or can be free, and some of them has some free plan available, but some of them, as you can see, is paid. So you will have to pay to add it to your site. Once you add everything, make sure, of course, to connect them, and simply you'll be able to add them once people want to go for their checkout, and you'll be good to go. Before finishing, of course, make sure to review everything. Take a moment to review the payment settings and ensure everything is configured correctly. To be sure the payments gateway is functioning as expected, make a test purchases of your website to verify your check-in process. Then save all the changes and preview even as an example by testing, and of course on the desktop and even the mobile phone, and even publish your site after that. So if you reached this point of this video, congratulations, you have successfully learned how to add a payments gateway to your Wix website. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one, and I will see you in the next video.